All right, I'm over here at the Blue Whale in Catoosa, Oklahoma. And this place was privately owned for many, many decades, and I think it was fairly recently either bought or given to the county or city. So it's a park now. It's like a public park. And this thing is really cool. I don't know the history other than a guy built it for his kids. And it's really quite clever how he did it, because it's all it's rebar, pipes, concrete, fiberglass, and wood, and it's just a dude, a very clever dude built it. So if you're coming down Route 66, you really can't miss it. That's basically where the old Route 66 was. You can't miss it. But yeah, definitely stop and check out the Blue Whale. It's pretty cool. I don't think you're supposed to go swimming here anymore. I don't think that's part of the deal. But really, really cool structure. I mean, it looks like, I don't want to say it's built out of scrap material, but it is kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. But it's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Across the parking lot, they had built also, there was like a business here for a while, and they built this kind of ark looking ship thing, which is in rather disrepair. And then they had either like lizards or alligators. They have like the remnants of like a concrete pit that looks like they had like big lizards or something in there. And then they have these really weird mushroom, like these mushroom-shaped things. You'll see in a second. Things in rough condition. Yeah, so they have these, I don't know what you'd even call it. I mean, they look like mushrooms. And unfortunately, they are in pretty rough shape. And then this concrete structure, like I said, I think whoever had this business, they had like you know what, there's another concrete structure over there that they've just now yanked out. So there was like a petting zoo or something going on here many, many, many years ago. I guess the city has plans for this place. Anyway, it's very cool to stop in here and check out the Blue Whale. It's definitely a really, I think, one of the more iconic American roadside attractions. Across the way there's this old trading post. I've never seen this open. It's not abandoned, but it's also never open. So I don't know what's going on with that. I'm sure that place was pretty cool many, many years ago. So there you have it. That's the blue whale.